How to clear Play Store cache and data. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear Play Store cache and data. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now here in this section, you can just tap on manage apps. And now here, once you are in this section, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply search for the Play Store. And now here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on Play Store to open it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then what you can do is simply tap on Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, first you simply have to tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And here, once you do that, this will remove temporary files without affecting your account and settings. And once you're done with it, what you can do is simply tap on Clear All Data and confirm it by tapping on OK. But before you do that, let me tell you that this will reset the Play Store. And if you do that, you may need to log in again, but no apps will be deleted if you do that. And that's it. That's how you can clear Play Store cache and data. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.